Zagalis, welcome to Mexico. Zaga's like, where are we going? Thank you, Louise. It's not apple juice, it's a Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's me, Rachel. If you guys don't know me, I'm here sharing our travel tips and also our travel vlogs, including including reviews in all places that we visited. And today we are here in actually this place called Grand Fiesta Americana, and this is the view.
Welcome to my resort review. Please note that this is not sponsored in any way. I'm providing my honest option regarding the rooms. I rate it 4 out of 5. What I appreciate the spacious is giving me a 4 because the room it could be benefits for more updates.
So this is the bathroom, and as you can see, the mirror is a bit like distressed. I think that's the style. There's sanitary hygiene and shower. Since this is a all-inclusive, all the drinks here are free.
Moving on to the beach review, I awarded a perfect 5 of the 5. The Grand Fiesta Americana boasts exceptional beachfront that my children truly enjoy, particularly the warm ocean. It is so important to note that there is a curfew in place. The beach closes at 9 p.m. as a lifeguard supervision is not available beyond that time. Next, let's talk about the hotel ambience, for which I'm giving it rating 4 out of 5. While the resort showing sign of aging, it's clean, well maintained. It was like I was impressed actually by the authentic greenery plants here. The plants to treat the flowers is so refreshing, and the ambience of the sitting area in the lobby it's so thoughtful and provide comfort space to relax, to unwind, especially while you are enjoying listening this live band music. Moving on to the cocktails, I was truly impressed. Each drink was perfectly crafted. All the bartenders were not only delightful but also very skillful and creating fantastic beverage. This experience 5 of the 5. Now let's dive into the pool section. This resort has a massive swimming pool, and they also have a various section, and did I mention that they have a bar here and they allow you to enjoy your drink while you're in the dip, and my kids really love this pool here, so I'm rating it solid 4.5 out of 5. Let's move on to my favorite part, the restaurant. As I'm filming this video, the resort features 8 restaurants and 1 cafe and 4 bars. The culinary experience is beyond my expectation. The food was served perfectly hot, maintained quality each. The staff made dining experience more extra special for me. They're singing Happy Birthday song in each time I dine. Remember, it's advisable to make a reservation in advance.
Now let's head over to the buffet, my personal favorite, especially since I have kids who are picky eaters. It's a great spot because they can freely choose what they want to eat. This inclusion of kids section is a thoughtful touch, with a counter set is a perfect height for toddler and young children. My only wish, if they have a wide selection of seafoods, I'm gonna rate this buffet 4 out of 5.
The service here in Grand Fiesta Americana is outstanding. I love our breakfast in our room. The staff is so nice, brought us a fresh flower sitting up this beautifully. Additionally, a full service extended to the beach. Remarkable with our food brought, and our beach experience is more memorable and enjoyable. So 5 out of 5.
For the entertainment aspect, it's important to note that while we are not in scale of Vegas, there's enjoyable options available here. The resort offer magic show for the kids and also kids club, sport lounge. So consider the kids might be tired from the day water activities. So I'll give the entertainment 3 out of 5.
We are truly enjoying our stay at the Grand Fiesta Americana, and we are already looking forward for our next visit. If you are inspired to experience this wonderful hotel for yourself, please feel free to contact us at Best Time Travel and Tours. We are proud to lead the team dedicated crafting memorable travel experience. We understand that travel can be both exhausting and challenging, and our goal is to make them seamless and enjoyable as possible for you. Proper planning is the key, and here to ensure your trip everything you dream of. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this review has been helpful for you, and looking forward to bring you some more travel insight and reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share this content so more people could see it. And have a safe trip, and see you in the next video.